Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little video of a couple Q figures I have. And the first one I have is the Harry Potter First Flight box here. So I will show you this here. And this is his first flight. And this would be, I guess, in Philosopher's Stone that he has his first flight. And the second figure is Hermione Granger's first spell. And so cute. These are pretty cool figures. And there are two more in the line that I know of, and they are Hagrid riding his motorbike with Harry Potter in the cart, and that was in Philosopher's Stone 2 as well. And the fourth one is Harry Potter's first spell. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Please give me a like and hit that subscribe button, and comment down below what you guys thought of these key figures. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon.